À tous des DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Allumage moteur Vulcain. Allumage EAB. Décollage. Tous les paramètres à bord sont nominaux. Fin de la manœuvre en roulis, la trajectoire est nominale.
There's a new rumble in the Amazon jungle, and that's the mighty Amazon Ariane 5, rather, the ECA, as she roars out toward Devil's Island. I get so excited because it's my 8th time here. It still takes my breath away every time I see it. A minute into the flight, Ariane 5 has already broken the sound barrier here in Kourou. And there we can feel it. The massive Jupiter facility literally shaking us. 1,300 tons of thrust break the Ariane 5 free from the bonds of gravity. I'll tell you, I get thrilled every time this happens. 90% of the power coming from the two boosters, 100 feet tall, burning 240 tons of solid propellant in less than 2 minutes, better than 2 tons a second. When the boosters have done their job, and that'll be in less than a minute from right now, Ariane will be 45 miles in the sky, racing away at over a mile a second, faster than a bullet. Information coming down to Galiot, the tracking station on the big hill behind us here at Jupiter. And we can see from the screen that everything is going well. The next major event is the burnout and jettison of those two solid rocket boosters. That is scheduled to occur at 2 minutes and 20 seconds into flight. So about 5 seconds from right now, despite the clouds, we might actually be able to see it when those separate. Let's watch the screen. And there's the call from the DDO that the boosters have done their job. We don't need them anymore. Talk about losing weight. The Ariane 5 was 775 tons on the pad, down now to 180 tons. In the rocket business, when you get lighter, you go faster. And Ariane 5 is moving out right now, a little over 2 kilometers per second, 90 kilometers up into the sky. Our target speed tonight is 9.3 kilometers per second. Next up on the list of major events will be the jettison of the fairing. It's protected the satellites on the ground and in the early phases of flight. After liftoff, we don't need it anymore. And very shortly, it is going to be separated. We're over 100 kilometers up in space, so we don't need that 2-ton fairing. And there you see on the animation, the fairing has gone away. The DDO has confirmed it. Take a look at these pictures from an earlier mission, and you'll see what it looks like as the fairing heads back toward Earth.